Adopting new project management software doesn't have to be overwhelming. With TeamGantt, you can have your entire team up and running in less than 30 days. Let's break down what that looks like step by step. Start by importing your existing projects. Whether your schedules are in Microsoft Project, Primavera P6, or a simple CSV, you can upload them into TeamGantt in minutes. No rebuilding from scratch. This means you keep the structure you already have while unlocking the flexibility of a modern, cloud-based tool. Once your projects are in TeamGantt, using them is simple. With drag and drop scheduling, you can easily move tasks or shift timelines, and dependencies automatically adjust. This makes it quick to keep your schedule accurate without the headaches of complicated menus or clunky software. Next, invite your team members. There's no complicated licensing or setup, just a few clicks and they're in. Assign them tasks right away and they'll get notified automatically. And for your extended teams, clients, executives, or subcontractors, you can share a live, read-only link to the schedule. No more chasing down which PDF is current. Everyone sees the same, always up-to-date version. Now show your team how they can customize the way they want to work. Some people prefer the Gantt chart for planning, others like a calendar view, and some teams work best in a board view to track their tasks. TeamGantt keeps all these views in sync, so no matter how team members prefer to work, the project stays aligned. It's flexible for individuals, but structured for the organization. Finally, show them how easy collaboration and tracking are. Team members can add notes, upload documents, or comment directly on tasks, keeping communication tied to the work itself. You can also turn on baselines to see how your current progress stacks up against the original plan. And check the workloads view to make sure people and resources aren't overbooked. These insights help you spot risks early and keep projects moving smoothly. By the end of 30 days, your team is fully onboarded, importing projects, collaborating in real time, and managing resources with confidence. TeamGantt makes onboarding fast, intuitive, and effective so you can spend less time fighting your software and more time delivering successful projects. Ready to get started? Learn more at TeamGantt.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more tips to help your projects succeed. See you next time.